Understanding your property's potential value after renovations is crucial for any savvy real estate investor. PropStream provides the tools to make this estimation clear and actionable. Begin by identifying your target property within the PropStream platform. Navigate to the Comps, or Comparable Properties, section to access sales data for similar homes in the vicinity. Analyze the recently sold comparable properties. Key details like sale price, square footage, and the sale date are vital for establishing a baseline for your ARV calculation. Refine your comparable sales by utilizing PropStream's filtering options. Adjust for factors such as the number of bedrooms, bathrooms, lot size, and proximity to ensure the most relevant data points are considered. Calculate the average sale price of your most relevant comps. This average provides an initial estimate, forming the foundation for your ARV. Adjust this average to reflect the unique characteristics of your target property, and the planned renovations. Consider differences in features and any intended upgrades that may add value. Factor in the estimated costs of your planned renovations. Subtracting these costs from your adjusted ARV will reveal your potential profit margin and inform your investment decision. With PropStream, you can confidently determine your property's after repair value, empowering you to make informed and profitable real estate investment decisions.